Meaning of Gerald Ford.
Gerald Ford.
Gerald Ford.
Gerald Ford.
Gerald Ford. Gerald Ford was the 38th President of the United States, serving in office from 1974 to 1977. Before becoming president, he served as vice president under Richard Nixon. Ford became president following Nixon's resignation in the midst of the Watergate scandal. During his presidency, Ford worked to rebuild public trust in government and improve the economy, but faced numerous challenges including inflation and foreign policy crises. In popular culture, Ford is often remembered for his clumsiness and a series of falls he took during public appearances.